Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Nissan Juke here on a 2014 plate. Just doing a position lamp. As you can see, that there is working. And then this one isn't working. To get to it is quite a simple procedure. It's just right on the inside there. That's the one you need to take out to replace the bulb. And to do it, all you do is you twist it to your left. They do get really tight, so you twist it to your left like that, and then you pull the whole thing out. So if they are tight, so now it's tight. If they are tight, just kind of wiggle a little bit, just break the seal, and then not break as in break it, but just break the seal and then loosen it up. So you then twist it to your left and then pull the whole thing out. Right, once it's out, that's all it is. It does need a capless bulb. If you did want one, there'll be a link for it in the description. And if you did like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button. Don't forget to click on that. And we're just going to show you how it's done. All you do, pull the bulb out. Here's a capless bulb. We're going to get the new one in there. Slot the new one in. That's how it goes. Just straight in. Push it in. Make sure you got clean gloves on, dry hands and everything. So what we now do is, you can see it through here as well. If you can't see the hole, just slot it through. Once it goes through, you just line the holder up. That's all lined up now, as you can see right there. And then I twist that to my right this time. Here we go. That's clicked in as well. So what we're now going to do is check the light. Just switch the lights on, please. Position lamp. That's, yep, perfect. Perfect. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. There's a special playlist as well for Nissan. Do check that out. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.